Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Please get ready for the session. Hands in mudra, spine upright. Sitting upright and straight, yet very comfortable with your own selves. Keep the shoulders really broad, long throat, and the chin is leveled. With a very pleasant mindset and very positive sankalpa, with very positive ambience of the inner environment, we prepare ourselves to launch ourselves into practice. Keep the forehead relaxed without any lines or cracks. Eyes delicately closed. The eyelids are like the petals of jasmine flower, soft and tender. And relax all the facial muscles. How to relax the facial muscles? Let a gentle smile light up your face. Natural name, smile of a child, or the wonderful, mesmerizing smile of the universal smile of Mona Lisa. Closely observe the stability within the physical body and the rhythmic breath moving in and out of the nostrils. Check the quality of the breath in the respiratory pathway. Check if the breath is moving freely or with any hindrance. Check if the respiratory pathway is like National Highway number 1, free moving space, or narrow, constricted. Check it out for yourselves. Before the closed eyes, now bring a beautiful sunflower, Suryakanta Pushpa, Helianthus. The beautiful yellow flowers, the petals of the flower, radiant, bright, as though it is smiling at you from inside and saying to you, a very good morning from inside. Now let us begin with 3 ohms. Deep inhalation. ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Now let us take a very clear resolve, sankalpa, of acquiring good health, total well-being, and let us seek the blessings of Mahadev. We will chant Mahamrityunjaya mantra one time. You can refer to the printouts you have. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. Let us seek wisdom, because wisdom brings real happiness in life. The mind can bring only the pleasure, but wisdom, buddhi, will bring the real happiness, the essence of life. We will chant Gayatri mantra once. I'm sure most of you know it, so let's chant. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. So we are defining very clear agendas even before we start off with the Hatha Yoga practices. The third agenda is protection and security. Very, very important for the survival of the self, for the life to move on without any hurdles, hindrances. So we must seek protection and security from the divine hand. So let us seek the blessings of Mother Durga. 32 names. Please refer to the printout. Om Durga, Durgati Shamani, Durga Madvini Varini, Durga Machedini, Durga Sadhini, Durga Nashini, Durgato Dharini, Durga Nihantri, Durga Mapaha, Durga Majnanada, Durga Daitya Lokadavanala, Durga Ma, Durga Madoka, Durgamatma Swarupini, Durgamarga Prada, Durgama Vidya, Durgama Shrita, Durgamajnana Samsthana, Durgamadhyana Bhasini, Durgamoha, Durgamaga, Durgamatra Swarupini, Durgamasura Samhantri, Durgamayudhadharini, Durgamangi, Durgamata, Durgamya, Durgameshwari, Durga Bhima, Durga Bhama, Durga Bha, Durga Dharini. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. With closed eyes, feel the energy of the vibrations of the divine chantings, leaving us with a sanctified effect, a detoxified effect. With closed eyes, Gently bring both the palms and then rub them against each other in a cyclic fashion. Energy is created in cycles, says the physics, isn't it? Turn out some very good warmth out of both the palms. Now cover your eyes delicately, then cover your facials, then join both the palms like an open book now. Delicately blink open once, looking at your own palms, releasing the hands with a bright smile. Very good morning, warm welcome to the new batch. Some of the new members have joined the other day. So warm welcome to once again to everyone. Hari Om, Matrudevo Bhava. Now please kindly stretch out the legs. Really loosen the feet. Hari Om, Hari Om. Follow the guidelines. Really loosen the feet and let go any type of numbness or tingling within the legs. Come to the heart, please relax. Now join both the legs, everyone. Bend the right leg, your right leg, side, touch the knee only once, up, front, same leg back, and front. Now the left leg, bend, side, up, front, back, front. This is one single round. Second round. Two rounds over. Please do 3 more rounds. Exactly the same. Not even a single step deviated. Clean and neat practice. Every time try to touch the heel to the buttock and try to touch the knee to the floor when you tilt it down to the floor. Do gently, no rush. Please park the rushing attitude of the mind. We have rushed enough and we know that how much taxation it will bring. So there is no point of rushing. Doing with harmonious and very pleasant mindset is very important. शांत चित्त से करना है सारी योगाभ्यास शांत चित्त से करना है 5 full times once done. These are the 2 important practices that you will do every single day. Now the actual practices would begin. Starting from the toes. Please follow the guidelines. Watching the demo, please begin the practice. Breathe in, open the toes, maximum. Breathe out, squeeze the toes. Breathe in, open up. Breathe out, squeeze. 2 rounds over, 3 more rounds. Please do with closed eyes, exclusively the toes, as though you are squeezing lemons in between the toes. Create that pressure. Feel that sweet pain. Without bending the ankle. The next practice is bending the ankle. So it is exclusively the toes. Once done, simply drop the feet to the sides, just do nothing within quads. Just do nothing for some time is also part of yoga practice, the relaxation phase. Now let's get ready to the next practice. I will show indicating my hands referring to your feet. So please follow the guidelines. Both the feet together. Breathe in, the toes are pointing to the nose. Breathe out, the toes are pointing down, down, down to the ground. Breathe in, close your eyes. Push the heels to the front, toes behind. Breathe out, nicely. नीचे लेके आएंगे toes को. You will feel the stretch and the tightness of the calf muscles. 3 more rounds. Please go ahead. Take good support of your hands on the mat on either sides and do the practice. Very good. Now, once done, drop the feet just like that. Please relax. Yet, keep the eyes closed and feel into the sweet pain at the ankle levels. Now, please follow the guidelines. Everyone. Bend the right leg, right side. Right foot up on the thigh, outside. Outside. Insert your fingers in between the toes. Left hand fingers. Hold the ankle nicely. Rotate. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. 2 rounds over. Please continue. 3 more rounds. This is the movement. Forward movement. Forward is this. After 5 rounds, please do reverse. Big circle बनाना है. छोटी सी circle नहीं, बड़ा circle बनाना है. In the reverse way, equally like that of forward. Total of 10 rounds in combination of with 10 breaths. Then please release the right leg. Bend the left leg. Keep the foot outside the right thigh. Begin nicely. Forward 5. Reverse 5. Nicely insert the fingers and the toes closely like a cloth. The threads are closely seamed, closely they are knitted together, right? It is like that. Please be seated upright. Hold the hand at the ankle level with the other hand. Forward 5, reverse 5. Total of 10 more times. Grand total will be 20 times. So don't rush. Utilize, give every practice its allocated time. Nice breathing. Please relax by stretching out the legs. Close your eyes. We started with the toes. We did to the 2 practices to the ankles. One is bending, another is rotating. We have to open up every single joint, remove all the blockages, make it flexible. Then your subsequent stage of practice will be very, very easy. Next, let's move on to the kneecap. A little challenge will be there. Those who are having concern with the back, please keep the practice very soft. And those who would like to take the help of the wall, please do so. You can sit against दीवार के साथ चिपक के बैठ के कर सकते हैं. Please follow the guideline. Forward cycling with the right leg. The right foot is going above the face level, not just front. It is well supported by the interlocked palms. Please do forward 5 full rounds. Every round meticulously executed. Now please do reverse. Ulta karna hai. Stretch straight without scratching the mat, please. Come up. Bend close to the chest, then do the practice. Total of only 10 rounds on each side. Once done with the right, kindly switch over to the left side, accomplishing same quality and same intensity. Left side. Forward. The foot is going above the face, then coming close to the body. Reverse. Every time the heel is touching the buttock, then you stretch it straight. So following those micro points and implementing to ensure the quality of the practice. Good. Please relax, hands behind, eyes closed. Now let us move on to the next practice. Please follow the guidelines. Bend right leg, right knee down, foot on the thigh, held by the left hand. Hold the kneecap. Hold the kneecap. Raise your index finger up like a pointer, indicator, and make a big circle with the kneecap. Breathe in, breathe out. I can show you from the side view. Five full rounds, big circle with the kneecap. संभाल के करना है. अभी रिवर्स कीजिए, उल्टा कीजिए, सेम नी कैप उल्टा करना है. Very good. Please ensure the circle is a circle, not a triangle, not a square, rectangle, pentagonal, heptagonal, hectagonal, octagonal as such. A circle is a circle. So we have to slow down and do it. Then it happens. Right. Once done with the right side, kindly stretch the right leg out. Take a moment, then fold the left. Please begin with the left side. Maybe first round is little challenging. Second round, there is a less challenge. Third round, it becomes little easier. Then it will become comfortable. So there is always progression, something known as progression. When we begin a yoga class, so we don't expect ourselves to do the practice like world champions. So please park such kind of thoughts. We have to learn it This guided session is for two aspects, learning and attempting. Please note it, you are learning and attempting. In the self-practice, you are doing. Make a big circle, please. The kneecap will come close to the side of the chest. So total of 20 rounds, hands behind, close your eyes. Feel the intensity of the practice. The practice is the input, the effect is the output. Just like cause and effect. Karya Karanam. Karya Karana Siddhanta. Now let us move on to the next one. Bend the knees, open the knees, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Your knees will touch the ground every single time. Please make an attempt. Breathe out. 7 more rounds, total of 10 times. Every round is a great possibility, opportunity for opening up the hip joint, which is rather very tight. So utilize your focus, strength, well processed, well blended to ensure that you gently open up the hip joint. Exclusively for all those IT members sitting before the computer for prolonged hours. It's very good. It will open up the pelvis. The pelvis is combination of 3 important bones, ilium, pubis, ischium, known as pelvic girdle. It's a very compact region, very highly complicated, because all the important organs in the tummy are there only, very close by. 10 full times. Then kindly stretch the legs out. Please relax. Feel the goodness of the practice. Now please sit cross-legged. Means just like how you sit on the floor, the typical Indian way of having the meals on the ground. Let us begin the practices to the hands. Outstretch the hands. Breathe in all fingers. Thumb inside. Breathe out. Tightly squeeze the fist. Breathe in maximum. Thumb inside. Breathe out. कस के दबाना है मुट्ठी को, like the legendary master Bruce Lee जैसा. Tight fist. Total of 5 times only. With closed eyes. Slowly release the hands, relax. Next practice, both the hands straight, breathe in. All the fingers are pointing to the top of the head. Breathe out. All the fingers are pointing inside to the chest. Breathe in. Breathe out. Point inside to the chest. 3 more rounds. श्वास के साथ करना सीख रहे हैं हम. जरूरी है। योग विद्या इतना आसान नहीं है कि ऐसा कि हाथ पैर हिलाओ और होगा, योगा हो गया, ऐसा नहीं है। इसके साथ कुछ मुख्य अंशों को ध्यान में रखते हुए हम करेंगे, जैसा कि श्वास की जो कॉम्बिनेशन, डूइंग इन कॉम्बिनेशन विथ ब्रेथ, श्वास के प्रति, श्वास की गति की प्रति सजग रखना बहुत जरूरी होता है। Let's move on to the next one. Follow the guidelines. Outstretch both the hands. Breathe in. Look up in between. Breathe out. Touch the opposite shoulder blades. Breathe in. Look up. Breathe out, friend. Breathe in. Round two. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. 3 more rounds. Please proceed. You will feel the heaviness of the hands due to the gravity pull downwards, which is quite natural. The gravity has been constantly working in our life. The Gurutvakarshana Shakti. Once done for 5 times, hands gently come down, close your eyes. Anyway, the eyes are closed. That is the understanding. Feel the spike in the metabolic rate. Now, the metabolic rate spike can be clearly felt. There is a spike in the temperature. The breath has become warmed up. There is a lot of sweat coming out of the body with the simple practices. Let us do the one more practice. Type 2 for the elbows. Outstretch the hands to the sides like the capital T, clean and neat. Outstretch, minding your neighbors or the objects. Breathe in, straight up. Look in between the hands. Breathe out, elbows down completely. Breathe in, straight up. Breathe out, sideways. Round 2, breathe in. Breathe out, elbows down, elbows coming to the side of the ribs. Breathe in, pull up maximum. Breathe out. 3 more rounds. Every time the hands go up, the shoulder and the ear will touch. That is the quality point. So you have to generate your own quality point. So nicely generate those quality points mentioned along with the steps. Ear to shoulder contact. Slowly कीजिए, आराम से कीजिए, जल्दी नहीं है. Mainly all Matajis are Grihinis. You are all homemakers and life makers. And there is endless work in your home. Children, सब परिवार के सेवा में आपकी बहुत सेवा होती रहती है, बहुत शारीरिक श्रम होती रहती है. ये सब प्रैक्टिसेस के साथ आपकी उपशमन मिलता है. सो इसको जरूर करना है, हर दिन करना है. इसको करने में कोई लीनियंसी नहीं होना चाहिए. यू हैव टू बी वेरी सेल्फिश. Nothing should come across you and your practice. So please clearly define an agenda इन द होम, परिवार में, कि मेरा प्रैक्टिस को करने के लिए मुझे मदद कीजिए बोल के. It's very important. If there is no agenda, then there is no going forward. Everything is very casual, very sloppy, very superficial. Nobody knows who will stop when. Only when you have a clear agenda defined by yourself with conviction, then you can move ahead. Otherwise, everything is time pass. Outstretch the hands, fingers to the collarbone. Follow the guidelines. Fingers to the collarbone, elbow to elbow. Come down, breathe out. Breathe in, go behind. Elbow to elbow, quality point. Breathe in, hand to hand, behind the neck, elbow to elbow. And the elbow is moving by the side of the body, not like this. Please note, not like this. Elbow moving by the side of the body. 5 rounds. You can close your eyes and do the practice. आराम से कीजिए माता जी, प्रभु जी. आफ्टर 5 राउंड्स कृपया रिवर्स भी करना है, उल्टा भी करना है. पहले थोड़ा दर्द लगना, ये सब बहुत कॉमन है, बिकॉज देयर इज अ रेस्पॉन्स between the body and the practice. And you may wonder, this body is very, very rebellious. It rebels like anything unless you train it. Once done, reverse 5 times. Slowly bring the hands down. Close your eyes. The eyes are anyway closed. Just feel in the effect of the practice. Now we will move on to the next practice. 2 practices. The first practice for today is side to side, turning the face side to side. First, watch the demo. Breathe out. Turn to the right side. Breathe in. Come to the center. Breathe out. Turn to the left side. Breathe in. Come to the center. समझिए, बहुत आसान है, श्वास के साथ करना है. Breathe out, side. Breathe in, front. Breathe out, other side. Breathe in, center. अभी आंखों को बंद करके और 3 more rounds कीजिए. Keep the shoulders broad. The chin will come in line with the shoulder as much as possible. जल्दी मत कीजिए, कृपया जल्दी मत कीजिए माता जी, प्रभु जी. सावधान से करना है. Neck is a very delicate region. It is a bridge between the head and the body of different operations, different transactions. It's a gentle bridge-like thing. So you have to be very, very delicate, sensitive to the practices. In this Jamana, this neck is most vulnerable region for almost all. Mainly the IT members के लिए ये जो neck है ना, पकड़ा जाता है, बहुत दर्द देता रहता है. Cervicalitis, the pain in the cervical region. You have to do these practices in order to safeguard it for a long time to come. The next practice, chin down, rotate, breathe in, go back, breathe out, come down, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, go back, breathe out, come friend, 2 more rounds. आराम से कीजिए. When you do the practice, the chin is gently massaging the throat region. And in the throat region are two important glands. The thyroid and the parathyroid glands are getting the internal massaging effect. After 5 times, कृपया रिवर्स करना है, उल्टा भी करना है, इसी तरह करना है. चैन से करना है, शांत से करना है. आराम से जितना हो सके उतना अच्छी और खूबसूरती से करना है बस. Very good. Once done, kindly stretch the legs out. Hands behind, chin up. Today, before getting into the standing position, we will do 2 practices, which will open up your spine and back. Little challenge will be there. Our attitude is very graceful towards a challenge. Just please follow the guidelines. Separate both legs apart, both the feet apart. Like this. Widely open the legs completely. The kneecaps down. Don't raise the kneecaps. Separate the legs completely. Now follow the guidelines. Your toes are pointing to the nose. Both the toes are pointing to the nose. Join both the hands. Straight. Sit upright. Your elbows are super straight. No bending. Nothing is up, nothing is down. Horizontal to the ground, and the chin is leveled. Please keep the chin leveled. Go back. Breathe in. Come to the left side. Breathe out. Slowly increase the circle. Chin up, chin up. Don't keep it like this. Chin up. Making big circles. Five rounds. Occupy the entire room with this practice. आराम से करना है. You won't even believe how far you can go. Please do reverse now. Please do reverse. Same number of times without bending the elbows. Lakshmi Mataji garu, elbows straight ga pettukovalama. Big circle. Chin up, chin up, chin up. Slowly come down. Release the hands. Hands behind, chin up. That's it. Please relax. The name of the practice is known as Chakki Chalasan, the traditional Indian milling or flooring. Purane Jamana mein, before the onset of these big industrial pulverizers and machinery to grind the flour or the atta, traditionally in India, everyone used to do chakki nicely, and their health used to be super good. And the food that comes, the atta or the flour or the rava, is to have full calorific value intact. Pulverizer में डाल के सारी calorific value गायब, जो बचा है उसको हम लेते हैं अभी. So never miss an opportunity to switch back to the organic ways and the traditional ways of making food. Next practice is known as Navanita Manthan Asan. Please say it. Navanita Manthana Asan. What is Navanita Mantanasan? Anybody would like to indicate with a gesture what is the Navanita Mantanasan? Churning the butter. माँ यशोदा करती थी नंदगांव में कृष्णा के लिए बटर बनाती थी. So let us do a little bit of that. Separate both the legs once again completely. Once again, both the legs are fully separated. Hold both the hands as though you are holding the rope. Straight, chin level, sit upright. Breathe in, elbow is going behind. Pull behind, breathe out. Breathe in, elbow fully behind. Breathe out. Now please close your eyes. Do for 4 more rounds. Breathe in, elbow fully back. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. 3 more rounds. Say 2 more rounds. Total of 5 times. Churning the butter slowly, slow motion. आराम से करना है, मुस्कुराते करना है. Now, please relax all your efforts. Check the good effect of the practice onto the system. Now, please join both the legs together. Hold your knees and sit in Vajra Asana. I'm sure most of you know how to sit in Vajrasana, but only thing is it is not so easy. So we have to make small attempts every single day. Then it will happen. Holding the knees, sitting on the heels. The toes are pointing behind completely. Your palms are close to the abdomen on the thighs, please. The palms are resting close to the abdomen. The elbows are pointing behind, shoulders are broad. Don't keep it like this. Keep the elbows pointing behind. Long throat and the chin is leveled. Sit quietly for 5 breaths only. Zyada nahi, kam nahi. You have a scale, that is your own breath is the measuring scale of your endurance, patience, tolerance. Utilizing that, we are doing the practices. Once done, now slowly come up on the kneecaps first, step by step, without any help, ideally. Then slowly bring the right foot front and come up to the standing position. आराम से खड़े हो जाइए जितना हो सके बिना सहारा. Otherwise, no problem. You want to take the help of the hand, absolutely fine. So let us revisit the practice done on the day 1. Please take little gap between both the feet. Little gap, say 1 palm distance between both the feet, hands above the head, turn the palms, open the elbows, broaden your shoulders, and eyes are open. Don't close your eyes for this practice. Eyes open rakhna hai. Breathe in, raise the heels, come up, looking front. 2 seconds वहां रहना है. Slowly breathe out, come down. Breathe in, raise the heels, grow tall, become the tallest personality in the morning, personally. 2 seconds के बाद breathe out, आराम से नीचे आना है. आगे बढ़िए, 5 more rounds. जल्दी नहीं है, आराम से करना जरूरी है. Eyes are open. Become the tallest personality, personally, not in competition or comparison with anyone else. You have to compete with your own self. The own self of today is competing and making the things better with the personality of the previous day. 7 full times. The heels are fully raised. You are standing on the tip of the toes. Now slowly bring the hands down. Close your eyes, please. Close your eyes. Take a breath or two. Now the new practice. This practice is known as palm tree pose. Growing tall like the palm tree pose. Because the palm tree has the yogic quality of being very stable and steady. The second practice is swaying palm tree, swinging palm tree. Please take 2 palms distance between both the feet. 2 palms distance between both the feet. Once again, the position of the hands is the same. Top of the head, turn the palms. This time, don't raise your heels, please. Only the hands go up. Don't raise the heels, Prabhuji. Keep the feet flat. Don't raise the heels. Only the hands go up maximum. Please close your eyes. Bend to the right side, your right side. Breathe out. Breathe in. Come to the center. Breathe out. Pull the elbows nicely wherever they are. Breathe in, come to the center. This is 1 round completed. Round 2, breathe out. Pull the elbow nicely. With a lot of patience. Breathe in, center. Breathe out. Left side. Breathe in, center. 2 rounds completed. Please try to do another 5 rounds. Or as much as you can do. Say 3 rounds or 4 rounds is also okay. Don't bend your kneecaps. Don't bend your elbows. If you can take care of these 2 quality points, you will achieve 90% of the quality of the practice. Total of 7 times. Bend like the capital C sideways on both the sides. Once done, slowly bring the hands down, close your eyes, relax for a moment in the standing position itself. Now please sit down. Before lying down, please keep the camera slightly, bending to the front, so that I will be able to watch you and guide you appropriately if required, so that there are no deviations happening in executing the guidelines. Please lie down. Prabhuji, please lie down. Before that, ensure the camera is slightly down. Right, Jaiye, Mataji. That's it. Feet on the mat, slightly apart. Eyes are closed. Feel the goodness of being in relaxation in शवासन. हर दिन हम शवासन पे सोते हैं, है कि नहीं? लेकिन हमको नहीं मालूम है कि हम योग कर रहे हैं शवासन पे जब जब हम नींद में चले जाते हैं. Now please follow the guidelines. We will do 1 or 2 practices in this position known as reclining position in generic English, supine position in the medical language, Shavasana in yogic language. The expressions may be the different, but the essence is the same. Please join both the legs together, everyone. Straight on the mat. Hands by the side of the body on the mat, please. Hands by the side of the body on the mat. Your palms are pressing the mat. The palms are pressing the mat. Elbows are super straight. Now please follow. Fold your left leg inside. The heel will come to the buttock. Foot is down on the mat. The kneecap is pointing up. Left leg, Mataji, left leg is left, right leg is right. The heel is touching the buttock almost, and the right leg is straight on the mat. The toes are pointing to your nose. Please raise the right leg up 90 degrees. Breathe in, straight up. Mataji. Ramesh Prabhuji, you are doing with the left leg. I mentioned right leg, so please kindly fold your left leg inside, begin with the right leg. Please fold your left leg inside, 5 full rounds. Breathe in, come up. Stay there for at least 3 seconds. Don't come down immediately. Stay with attention. Don't allow the mind to get hijacked by some other thought. Stay focused, stay tuned to the practice that you are doing. 5 full rounds. Each time the leg is up in the air vertically for 3 to 5 seconds. After that, please do the other side now. Stretch the left leg out. Fold your right leg inside. Follow the guidelines. Every word is a guideline. Please fold your right leg inside and begin with the left leg. Same practice. Try to achieve that 90-degree angle with little effort. Extra effort रखना पड़ता है. Very good. It's not so easy to raise the leg. अगर किसी को वेट लिफ्टिंग की बहुत करने की आशा है, इससे भी कोई बेहतर वेट लिफ्टिंग नहीं है. अगर इसको करेंगे, it is as good as doing all the weights. Now please relax on the mat. Complete relaxation. Join both the legs now. Everyone slowly turn to the right side. Right की तरफ पलट के उठ के बैठना है. Follow the guidelines. Right palm on the chest to the left side. Where is the chest? To the left side. Not extreme left, but mid left. Left palm on the tummy. Sit upright. Sit upright really well. Long throat and the chin is leveled. Shoulders are broad. If you feel like sitting with the wall support, you can do that absolutely fine. But now sit with stability, grace, and focus. Connect with your own breath once again. After the practices, check what is the quality. Before the practices, we checked out the breath silently. Now check what is the quality of the breath after the practices are done. Develop awareness of breath. Every single breath, every incoming and outgoing breath to be observed like a PhD apprentice in the Indian Institute of Science or ISRO. How meticulously they will observe the readings. Exactly in that way, if we can develop that awareness, हमारा जिंदगी बहुत तरक्की हो जाती है. Without influencing the breath, check it out. What is the rhythm? What is the length? What is the sensation? What is the feel of your own sweet breath? And develop faith in yourself. The moment you access your breath, there is always a faith possibility of enhancing the faith in yourself. That is also another dimension of the breathing. हर श्वास में विश्वास भरना है, विश्वास की एहसास करना है, विश्वास की अभिवृद्धि करना है. श्वास ही जिंदगी का आधार है कि नहीं? Check the response of the abdominal region and thoracic region, how they expand and contract with every single breath. With closed eyes, slowly release the hands back to the kneecaps. Normal breathing, Sahaj Shwasa. Continues. Join both the palms at the heart center. We shall conclude the session by offering goodwill prayer, Sadbhavana Prarthana. If you know, you can chant, otherwise simply listen and enjoy the Sadbhavana Prarthana. For everyone, not only us, for everyone, every prani, every manushya, सबके लिए प्रार्थना करना बहुत जरूरी है. आज की जो समय में सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु, सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु, लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। Gently rub both the palms, keep the eyes closed. Generate some good heat in both the palms. Cover your eyes now. Cover the facial. Then join both the palms like an open book. Blink open once, looking at the palms. Thanks very much. Hari Om Tat Sat. A very happy day. Please take care of yourselves and practice all the practices done today, tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. That way you will keep the track of the practice, which is very important in this entire exercise or program. So, Hari Om Tat Sat. Dhanyavadah. Namo Namaha. Punarmilamaha. Warm welcome to 8 a.m. members. Please get ready for the session.
Prabhuji, can you please show the recap once again? Actually, मेरे यहाँ electricity चली गई थी.
Shall I call you after some time, Mataji? I have the class to begin.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Your good name, Mataji?
Sonal.